Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the longitudinal rotation body packing CapCut for PC. So first select your video or photo you like to edit, and I'm going to select my video and go to Effect and select the body effect so you can find the longitudinal rotation. So this is for effect. You have to join properties to be able to use this effect. So just click to right for the duration and adjust for the option right here for the color. You can see for the color, and then rotation and speed. So here we go, this is the final effect you'll have on your video. Right, so this cool effect you might should try. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.